What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Amir Views here. We back with another video, man. We back with another banger. We back to open the mind. You already know what time it is, man. Listen, before we get into this video, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, comment down below, like the video. I appreciate all of those things. It really helps me out, man. It really helps out the channel, man. If you guys want to see more videos, do those simple things. If you're not already subscribed, of course. But without further ado, let's get right into this video, man. It's gonna be quick. But today we're gonna be talking about, or tonight, or whenever you watch this video, we're gonna be talking about time. And a lot of people look at time as an enemy, like they're racing against time. Like, we only have a little bit of time on this planet, and I know I say these in my videos a decent amount. We only have our time on this planet isn't super long. But the thing about it, you have the power over time, right? You can manipulate time to your advantage. I'm gonna give you an example. Today has been a very long day. I've been up since 8 o'clock this morning. I woke up at 6, went back to sleep. Woke up at 7, went back to sleep. Woke up at 8. I've been up since 8 o'clock this morning. I worked, came home, did something else, came home again. I showered. I didn't work out today because Sunday is my rest day. I was working out. I showered. I called my boy Michael up. Then my other boys got on the game. If y'all wasn't on the stream, join the stream, man. Twitch is in the link in the description down below in my link tree. Follow the Twitch. I can watch me stream with my boys. Got on the game. Streamed for 6 hours. Longest stream in a minute. Probably my longest stream ever, honestly. Streamed for 6 straight hours. What I do after that? Mind you, I ended the stream around like 11. So I still had mad time. Sorry about it. My hair tweaking. I still had mad time left, right? So I finished the stream around 11. After that, I popped out like 4 straight TikToks. I had TikToks ready, recorded all of them. They ready to be uploaded. What I do after that? Did my little skincare routine, brush my teeth. You feel me? Brush my teeth. What I do after that? I'm recording this video as we speak. What am I do after this? Record another video as we freaking speak. That is manipulating time. I could have easily came home from work, slept all day. And there's nothing wrong with that. If that's what you choose to do, do what you choose to do. But I'm telling you right here, don't be a victim of time. Don't try to act like time is your enemy. You can manipulate time. You can morph time into becoming your best friend. What's that? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 13 hours. I've been up. 14 now. I've been up for 14 hours. And I've gotten a lot done. What's your excuse, dog? What's your excuse? Use time to your advantage. The only reason why you feel like time isn't on your side is because you look at time as a negative thing. You look at time as something scary. No, look at time as your best friend. If I'm up for 14 hours, let me be productive for all 14 hours. Or at least let me be productive for 10 of those hours. 4, I'm chilling. 3, I'm chilling. But let me be productive for more than 60% of those hours that I'm up. Because if God wakes you up in the morning, you have another chance to manipulate time to your advantage. You have another chance to be great, another chance to improve, another chance to do something right in this crazy negative filled world. So I'm here to tell y'all, stop looking at time as something bad, dog. It's not. You can literally have time. You can literally bully time into thinking, to tricking your brain to thinking you have more time. I feel like I've been up for way more. I thought it was literally like 2 o'clock in the morning. I looked when I ended the stream. I'm like, bro, it's only 11:20, 11:15. Are you kidding me? I'm thinking it's mad late, dog. I'm thinking it's mad late, bro. It was only like 11:15, dog. And I was like, all right, I'm gonna make some TikToks, make at least 2 videos tonight, and I'm gonna get my rest. Rest is also important. I'm not saying rest isn't important, but use time to your advantage. Squeeze the most out of you can out of that time that you're up. Treat time like a sponge. And when you put the soap on a sponge, That's you doing your task. That's you writing down your task or thinking about the stuff that you're gonna do. And when you squeeze that sponge on that plate, on that dish, on that cup, on that fork, on that spoon, on that knife, that's you squeezing the day, sucking all the juices out that day, doing all the things you said you was gonna do out that day, being a man of integrity, man of your word, woman of your word, saying, doing what you said you were going to do. That is you squeezing that. So, moral of the story: stop looking at time as a bad thing. Time is on your side. It's not a race against time. Time is not your enemy. Time is not a supervillain. Look at time as your best friend and something that you can manipulate. A lot of people look at manipulation, when you bring in the word manipulation, they think it's a bad thing. You can manipulate somebody and do something good. It's like if you at the gym with your homie and he on his last rep and he's struggling, you see his arms getting weak. You can manipulate your homie and thinking, bro, that's light work, bro. You got this, bro. This is nothing. This light work for you, bro. You got this. And you can manipulate to him. You can manipulate him into thinking that he can actually do it, and he actually does that final rep. He adds another rep into that. Nothing changed. You didn't help him out. You didn't touch the weight. You ain't do nothing. He ain't get up. He ain't magically turn into the Incredible Hulk. But you manipulated him. You manipulated him to do something great. Same thing with time. Manipulate time. You can do something great. I love you all. Stay positive. Stay safe. Stay disciplined, or you will be disciplined. Until next time. Until we open the mind once again. Amir Views is out. God bless you all. Amen, y'all. You reached the end of the video, bro. Like, thanks, man. Hit the subscribe button, you know? Hit the subscribe button. You can watch a video on the screen or subscribe. All right, man. You can leave the video now. Leave the video.